Have you ever been in the middle of coding, expecting your artificial intelligence assistant to swoop in with the perfect suggestion, only to be met with silence? It can be frustrating when your coding companion seems to be taking a coffee break right when you need it most. The most common reasons you are not getting Copilot suggestions usually boil down to its active status, the file type you are working on, or simply a lack of sufficient context for it to generate meaningful code. Your artificial intelligence assistant needs the right environment and enough information to do its job effectively. Copilot, like any sophisticated tool, operates based on specific conditions. First, it must be actively enabled and authenticated in your code editor, such as VS Code, for your current session. If your subscription has lapsed or if there is an authentication issue, it will not function. Secondly, it primarily works best with officially supported programming languages and file types, usually languages like Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby, Go, C#, C++, and others commonly found in its training data. If you are in a configuration file or an unsupported language, suggestions might be limited or absent. Lastly, and crucially, Copilot relies on the surrounding code as its context. If you are starting a new, blank file or writing very generic comments, it might not have enough information to offer relevant suggestions. To troubleshoot, always begin by checking your Copilot extension status in your editor. Ensure it is enabled and that you are logged into your account with an active subscription. Next, verify that the file you are editing is of a supported programming language type. If you are using a less common language or a plain text file, consider switching to a supported file for testing. Finally, try adding a few lines of code or a descriptive comment to provide Copilot with more context. Even a simple function signature or a specific comment about what you are trying to achieve can trigger suggestions. A fantastic insider tip for optimizing Copilot's performance is to cultivate the habit of writing clear, concise comments. Think of your comments as direct prompts for Copilot. The more descriptive you are about your intent and the desired outcome, the more accurate and helpful its suggestions will be. This technique, sometimes called comment-driven development, significantly enhances the utility of your artificial intelligence coding assistant. By understanding these fundamental operating principles of your artificial intelligence coding assistant, you can proactively ensure that Copilot is always ready to provide smart, context-aware suggestions. This allows you to leverage its power for faster, more efficient coding, transforming those moments of frustration into productive flow states.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and build with us.